Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video describes fertilization of the ovum. Capacitation of the spermatozoa is the preparation for the fertilization. So these sperms mature in the epididymis and they expelled through the male sexual act, but these sperms are unable to fertilize ovum because there are multiple inhibitory factors that are present in the semen, and these inhibitory factors are secreted by genital duct epithelium. When the semen or these sperm reach into the female genital tract, within 1 to 10 hours they undergo multiple changes, and after these changes they are able to fertilize the ovum. So the capacitation is the final maturation process of sperm that occur inside the female reproductive tract, and it enable it to fertilize an ovum, and it requires typically 1 to 10 hours. So there are many key steps and changes that are required for the capacitation. First is removal of inhibitory factors. The uterine and fallopian fluids wash away inhibitory substances from the semen and frees the sperm from motility suppression. Then uh, cholesterol removal is second step, in which the cholesterol from male genital tract vesicles toughens the acrosome membrane, and after ejaculation the sperm swim away from the cholesterol vesicles, and excessive cholesterol is gradually lost. That will lead to weakening of the acrosomal membrane. Then there is increased permeability of the for the calcium ion. So the sperm, they become more permeable to calcium ion, and calcium enhances the activity of the flagellum from weak to strong whiplash movement. So alteration in the acrosomal membrane will also release some enzymes such as hyaluronidase and proteases. So the outcome of all these activities that are part of capacitation is that they enable the sperm to penetrate the granulosa cell and zona pellucida, and they are essential for successful fertilization. The acrosome reaction is the crucial process that enables sperm to penetrate the granulosa cell layer and zona pellucida that is surrounding the ovum, ultimately allowing the fertilization to occur. So there is a release of hyaluronidase that break down the hyaluronic acid in the intercellular matrix between the granulosa cell. That creates a pathway for the sperm to move through the cumulus cell layer. Then there is release of proteolytic enzyme from the acrosome. These are responsible for digestion of the protein structures within the tissue around the ovum and facilitate further penetration into the zona pellucida. So sperm reaches the zona pellucida, ovum that is surrounded by granulosa cell and thick glycoprotein layer, that is the zona pellucida, and the enzymes from the acrosome starting from hyaluronidase and proteinase, they are responsible for gradual digestion of the granulosa cell layer, and then the binding of the zona pellucida occurs. The sperm bind to specific receptor on the zona pellucida and trigger complete dissolution of the acrosome. So massive enzymes are released then, and enzyme digest a channel through the zona pellucida, and finally there is fusion of this sperm with the oocyte occur, and the sperm and oocyte membrane fuse and genetic material combines that result in fertilization. So single cell zygote is formed, and this combines 23 chromosomes from the sperm and 23 from the ovum and begins the development of the embryo. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please write in the comment box.